We're talking about top of funnel video. And that can be as simple as your hot take in talking head video form. So today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create talking head style videos in Descript. Let's jump over to Descript. I've created here a new composition that's just blank at the moment. Let's record some video. It's super simple. All you have to do is click right here, start recording. It'll bring up this dialog. If you choose camera, you have an option to choose one of the cameras on your system, one of the microphones on your system, and this little pop-up comes up as well, which is your video feed. We'll choose record into script. It's going to ask you which language you want to use, and we'll choose that as well. You get a little countdown from Descript, and we are recording. This is how easy it is to record in Descript. And if you flub a line, it's easy to remove and get right back to recording. When you're done, you just hit the stop button there. And in a moment, everything gets populated into your composition here. When you are looking to remove that line, you can see right here. And if you flub a line, flub, it's easy to remove it. I will go ahead and delete that piece. Now the video clips are brought together and there's a simple edit that's happened right there. That's a basic run through of Descript, perfect for creating simple, authentic talking head videos for your audience. Dive in and experiment. There's a link to get you going in the description for this video.